Hey everyone, we're here at the 2-box break Bowman Chrome Baseball 2013. Here's our 2 boxes. Sealed, so you can see that one and that one's sealed. Here's our team list. I did try to go live, but I only had like one viewer, so he was like, just send him the YouTube link. So it'll go much quicker this way. It's 8:07 on Wednesday p.m. Alright, here we go. Do one back at a time. See what we get. I'm going to cut both all at the same time though. I think we're going to have one empty box. Actually, I'll just do them both at the same time. We're going to have one auto per box. And every third box has 2. So maybe we will get 2 in 1. Hopefully, anyways. Empty box. Alright, here we go. First pack. Got Andrew McCutchen, Eric Johnson, Ryan Howard, refractor, not numbered, and Dan Langfield. Got Roy Halladay, Zui Lin. We got a Jim Thome, the Sapphire reprint. For the Indians, Indians are Andrew D. and Edwin Escobar. Josh Johnson, Jorge Polanco, Addis Portillo, and Ian Kinsler. These do have rookie autos, but they're rare. I was in a case break last night. I don't think we saw any rookie autos, just all prospects. So I don't know how rare they are, but Vidal Nuno, Miguel Almonte, Renato Nunez, and Jake Orizzi for the Rays. We got Clayton Kershaw, Derek Jones, Danry Vasquez, and Adam Warren. We got Zach Eflin, Michael Fulmer is the Rising Through the Ranks mini. Mets, no one bought the Mets. Saxon Butler and Freddie Freeman. Oh. Mauricio Cabrera, Billy Butler, Dustin Geiger. We got, I don't know if that's red or the pink. It's a Yankee. Saxon Butler, I think it's the pink. Yep, it's a 35. 8 of 35. Pink version. Saxon Butler is first baseman. Yankees go to Brian D. Nice not auto hit there. Refractor. We got Gustavo Cabrera, Mike Moustakas, refractor. Luis Marijo, and Nolan Arenado. Pedroia, Jinde Jong, Carlos Tochi, and Oswaldo Arcia, rookie. Courtney Hawkins, Rosa for the Marlins, refractor. Roberto Osuna and Matt McGill for the Dodgers. Matt Holliday, Andrew Tolles, Tyler Glasnow, and Asdrubal Cabrera. Joe Mauer, Drew Steckenrider, Jake Lamb, and Jaime Garcia. David Price, Jimmy Nelson, Courtney Hawkins for the White Sox, blue refractor, 230 of 250. And Gabriel Encinas. Dave Holmberg, Todd Frazier for the Reds, refractor, Pat Light, and Jose Fernandez. Not in his Mariners jersey like in Topps Chrome for some reason. Nick Swisher. And we got Mauricio Cabrera auto for the Braves. Braves are Matthew H. Not numbered. It's our first auto. Nestor Molina and Homer Bailey. Alberto Mejia, Will Middlebrooks, purple to 199. Rainy Lara and Starlin Castro. Two more in the first box. Mike Kickham, CJ Edwards, Luis Gohara, and Michael Bourne. Brett Marshall, Tyrone Taylor. We got Striker, Trahan refractor for the Diamondbacks. Diamondbacks are Brian D. and JT Chargois. Second box here. We got Gustavo Cabrera. And we got for the Phillies, this is a blue version of Rising Through the Ranks mini. It's numbered to 250. Roman Quinn, Saxon Butler, and Brandon Maurer. Desmond Jennings, CJ Edwards, JT Chargois, and Jason Mott. Ben Zobrist, Tyrone Taylor. We go for the Giants, Mike Kickham. It's Paul P. Not numbered. And Jose Bautista. Derek Jones, Dustin Geiger, Jose Altuve for the Astros, refractor, and Derek Jeter. Eric Hosmer, Zach Eflin, Tyrone Taylor for the Brewers to 199, and Danry Vasquez. Tulo, Jindy Jong, Mauricio Cabrera, and Jesus Montero. Carlos Tochi for the Angels, CJ Cron, Rising to the Ranks mini. Angels are George R., Luis Marijo, Lance Lynn. Matt Harrison, Henry Owens, Willen Rosario refractor, and Andre Rienzo. Matt Whistler. We got a Jerkson Profar to 250. Blue refractor. Garcia and Carnot. Tyler Skaggs, Marco Hernandez, Yohander Mendez, and Molina. Maybe we'll get another auto. Dexter Fowler, Miguel Almonte, and Ken Griffey Jr., the Sapphire reprint. It's going to go to the Mariners. Mariners are Keith G. Nestor Molina. Wei-Yin Chen. David Holmberg. Rafael Montero. And Rainy Lara. Luis Gohara, Starling Marte, Alberto Mejia, and fit the bill, die cut Bryce Harper. We did a case break last night. Didn't see one die cut in the whole case. It's not numbered. Oh no, it is. 21 of 24. It's a nice one. Nationals going to George R. Verlander, Jake Lamb, Dan Langfield, Will Myers rookie. Zimmerman, Jorge Polanco, Pat Light, and Cespedes. Chase Headley, Jimmy Nelson, Edwin Escobar, Bruce Rondon. 2 packs, guys, and then I'll recap. Yonder Alonso, Eric Johnson, Euclid for the Yankees refractor, Portillo, Goldschmidt, Zui Lin, Renato Nunez, and Aaron Hill. Alright, we had 2 Sapphires, Jim Thome, Ken Griffey Jr., regular refractors, Euclid, Montero, Rosario, Jose Altuve, striker Trahan, Todd Frazier, Rosa, Moustakis, and Ryan Howard. Our minis, CJ Cron, Roman Quinn, blue. That was the 250. And Michael Fulmer. Other refractors, Profar, blue. Tyrone Taylor, purple. Middlebrooks, purple. Courtney Hawkins, blue. And Saxon Butler, pink to 35. Our autos were Mike Kickham for the Giants and Mauricio Cabrera for the Braves. Both base, not numbered. And then we had Bryce Harper, fit the bill, die cut, 21 of 24. Nice hit there. Alright guys, I'll get your cards packed up and mailed out in the next couple days. And I'll be sending out emails about future breaks here pretty soon. Alright, thanks guys.